Hi, I'm Elena. Welcome to MUSUBI Kitchen. Today we are making Chirashi Sushi, a dish that's perfect for springtime hospitality in Japan. It's the kind of dish that instantly brightens the table, especially on special occasions or when people gather. This time we are keeping it simple. No shaping, no mixing the toppings into the rice. We're just arranging everything on top for an easy, relaxed style. It's a recipe that's approachable even if you're making sushi for the first time. First, let's look at the ingredients. Warm cooked rice, vinegar, sugar, and salt. For the toppings, you can customize with your choice of seafood and vegetables. Today, we'll add thinly sliced egg and decorative carrots to bring in a spring feel. Let's start by making the sushi rice. First, combine the vinegar, sugar, and salt and mix well. Pour the mixture evenly over the warm rice. Using a rice paddle, mix with a slicing motion while fanning the rice to cool it down. Next, we'll make the thinly sliced egg. Crack the eggs into a bowl and add a small pinch of salt. Cook the beaten egg in a thin layer. Once cooled, slice it into thin strips. This bright yellow really makes the Chirashi Sushi look more vibrant. Now, let's prepare the toppings. Cut your choice of seafood and vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Keeping the shapes and sizes consistent helps create a cleaner, more polished finish. Next, let's make the decorative carrots. Slice the carrot into 4 mm thick rounds and cut them out with a flower-shaped cutter. Make small cuts about 2 mm deep from between the petals toward the center. Then cut diagonally from the center of each petal toward those cuts. Simmer the carrots in a light broth made with dashi, sake, and sugar. By the way, for this kind of decorative cutting, our new petty knife is incredibly useful. It's made in Japan, very sharp and easy to handle for delicate, detailed work. Now place the sushi rice into your serving bowl. Smoothing the surface makes it much easier to arrange the toppings later. Now let's start arranging the toppings. First, spread the thinly sliced egg over the rice. Then, add your choice of seafood and vegetables, paying attention to color balance. Finish with decorative carrots to give the dish a special, welcoming touch. By not mixing the toppings into the rice, each ingredient's color and flavor really stands out. And it's done. Just bringing the bowl straight to the table creates a beautiful, welcoming dish. Let's eat! The sushi rice is light and refreshing, and the balance with the toppings is just right. Enjoying the different textures and flavors is one of the joys of Chirashi Sushi. Chirashi Sushi is a dish that lets you enjoy the season while sharing something special with others. I hope you try making it at home with your favorite toppings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.